Hello Stamping friends, it's Jessie with Clothespins Stampers. I'm in the holiday spirit and I am so happy today. I've already finished all my Christmas cards for the year because I've been using card kits and it's amazing. And I just finished making the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. It's a paper advent calendar. It's so cute. I'm super excited about it, and this is what I want to share with you all today. So I won't actually be making the advent calendar. It's already made, but I have tons of ideas of how you can stuff the little envelopes because they're kind of small. It's just a little envelope sleeve, like a little pocket. So I have tons of different ideas of how we can make this fun for the whole family, fun for all ages, and I can't wait to share some ideas with you. But before I flip the camera, I just want to let you know in the video description, you'll find a link to the blog post, and there I'm listing out all my ideas as well. So let's flip this camera, and I'm so excited to share with you. Okay, let's start with what I think is probably the easiest thing to fill an advent calendar with, and that is candy. So let me give you some ideas of good candy to fill these envelopes with. So, a classic Tootsie Rolls. Those fit in just fine. Number 2 here. Ooh, the caramels. These are so good. Slide right in. 3. You can see that this is, it got folded a little weird, but that's okay because it's paper and it's allowed. And the reason for that is because I put some suckers in here. Just found these cute little guys. Originally, they didn't fit. I just trimmed the sticks and they fit in perfect. And then we also have a Snickers, my favorite candy. So, of course, I had to include that in there. And a final idea for some candy, mint, because who doesn't like a good mint? So you can see all these fit in just fine, just a couple in each one. But if you have a larger family and probably need more than just 2 or 1 Snickers, we'll have the rest of them aside. Let the family open it and have a nice little treat. They'll see the Snickers and then you can go grab the other 4 or 5, however many Snickers you may need so everyone can enjoy. So there's just a few ideas for candy. Don't be limited. So many other candies will fit in these little envelopes. All right, what's next? Okay, my next 2 ideas are a little bit more adult specific, and you will see why here in a second. So this is one I'm going to do for my husband, which I think is a fun idea. Bottle caps. But the point, I stole these off of some drinks that we already have, and I just put a little note in here for the brewery. So I'll do this for a Friday night or a Saturday night or something so he can open it up and be like, hey, let's go grab a drink from the brewery. And then number 7 here, I put in some golf tees with a note. Let's go play golf. So I'll either do this for just going to the driving range or maybe playing 9 holes or something. But I know these are 2 date night activities that my husband would really enjoy opening up. And I'll just make sure to stuff them in whatever envelopes fall over the weekend so I know it's something that we can go do. Okay, next. These ideas are more of my kid-friendly ideas. Now, mind you, I don't have kids of my own. I just think these are probably some good things that smaller children would enjoy having in a calendar like this. So first up, this guy fit in perfect. It was actually a little craft I found, and there were some markers that came with it, but it's an ornament to color. And so there was also string. So I thought that's a fun little craft idea you could do. And then we have a hair scrunchie. That slid in just fine. So for a young girl, a hair scrunchie, barrette, something like that would be a cute gift to open up. Here we have markers. Actually, these are the markers that went with this craft, but I put it in here as just another idea. If you find some small markers, maybe you could give it with a coloring book. Obviously, the coloring book won't fit in the little envelope, but the child could pull out the markers and then hand them the coloring book and have a fun evening coloring. Here for number 11. Ooh, erasers. I thought these were just so adorable, and you could see they fit in there no problem. Fun little shapes. I figured a child would love these. I think they're cute. And then finally, a 5th idea I have, stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? So I found these. It was like a full sheet of stickers, and I just trimmed them up so that they'll slide in that envelope no problem. So those are a few of my kid-friendly ideas for filling the advent calendar. And then last but not least, I have a few more ideas to share with you all, and these are all going to be more experiences. So I think they're great that you could do with your significant other, with your family, whether small children, adult children. These are just all more experience-based. So one idea is I put some puzzle pieces in here. So I found a really cute puzzle. Obviously, a whole puzzle ain't fitting in this envelope, but why not slide in the pieces? And then whoever opens it, again, probably could have slid a note in this as well, but puzzle night. I think that's a great like date night idea you could do with your spouse, a great activity to do with the kids. I think it's just fun. And this idea, so more candy, but what I was gonna do with this, and I did slide the note, s'mores night. How fun is that? Just put in the milk chocolate and then have on hand your graham crackers, your marshmallows, and let's have a s'mores night. Maybe you could do it sitting around the fire or it's just in the oven, but again, just a fun activity to do. 15 here, I just threw in some cards. The intent for this was let's have a game night. Who doesn't love a good game night? So those cards slid in there, perfect. Here. So what I did here is a baggie of sprinkles and I wrote cookie on it. So my thought behind this was I couldn't fit a whole bottle of sprinkles in here, but open this up and we're gonna have a cookie decorating night. So we'll make sugar cookies, we'll decorate them, it will be a good time. And then last and not least, this one is probably the classic, a gift card. See how perfect that fits in here? So I have one here for Chick-fil-A. You could easily do a gift card for where you want to go eat dinner that night, take the family out. You could do a gift card to Target and go buy something. Gift card GameStop, let's go get a new game to play, whatever it may be. But gift cards, quite a classic. So there you go. That was, I think 17 different ideas of how to fill the advent calendar. Wide range of ages. I think a lot of, these would be fun for everybody. I think the easiest thing to do is, especially with the candies, those are great fillers. No one will mind opening a little extra candy to enjoy on your countdown. So I hope you really like these ideas, but I am not quite done. A little bit more that I want to show and tell you, because Advent calendar, this is a great paper craft kit to do for the month, but what are we counting down to? Christmas. So I want to make sure to show you some great Christmas cards. So give me 1 second. Okay, Christmas is coming and I wanted to make sure I could show you this. This is the Christmas Everywhere Kit. It makes 3 each of these 3 cards, so 9 total. These are just, I think they're adorable, they're fun, great Christmas cards, very easy to quickly put together. Just a few stamps here on this background paper, but the rest of all these trees, they're punch outs and then popped up with dimensionals to give the card a fun look. And then this is the stamp set that came with it. 3 trees, a couple of sayings. I'm very excited. So I've already done up my Christmas cards for the year by using this Christmas Everywhere kit, but I'm excited. I need to make a few more. I'm going to use the stamp set to create a few more, just very simple cards. Cute little tree, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, warm wishes. You can mix up these stamps however you want. So stay tuned. I will be making some cards to share with you all later using the stamp set from this kit. And that's all I wanted to share with you all today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my ideas with the Advent calendar. I hope you're really enjoying looking at these Christmas cards right now. You might think about picking up this kit for yourself. So until next time, I hope you all have a stamp happy day. Bye, everyone.